Okay, we have absolute value, and recall that the absolute value means two different things depending on whether the input is positive or negative. So if x is positive, it's x. If x is negative, it's minus x. Okay? So this expression here, so there's actually 4 values we have to consider. X squared minus 1, you can treat that as a parabola with roots at -1 and 1. It's positive here, and in between it's negative. X squared minus 4, it's got roots at 2 and -2. It's positive here, and it's negative in between. Okay, so let's consider the 4 intervals. So -2, -1, 1, 2. So we got to consider before -2, in between, in between, in between. So there's actually 5 intervals. So if x is less than -2, okay, this is negative and this is negative. So g at x will equal to, okay, when x is less than -2, you can see both of them are positive. So I can remove the absolute value, as it is. So this cancels out, we get +3. If x is greater than or equal to -2 but less than -1, okay, so you can see in that case this is negative but this is still positive. Okay, just look at the y values. Until -1 this is positive. Now we're going after -2, right? Here it's these y values, so it's going to be negative. So this is positive. Negative, well, we have to take the negative of that. Plus x squared minus 4. So you get 2x squared minus 5. Okay. Now if x is greater than or equal to -1 and less than 1, okay, note that they're both negative. So we got to take the negative of that. And negative will just give you the positive. Okay, now we'd consider from 1 to 2. Between 1 to 2, this is positive, but this is negative, right? 1 to 2. Right, clearly the y values are positive here, so it's going to be, this is negative. So you get negative, so it becomes positive x squared minus 4. Okay, same as that. And lastly, if x is greater than or equal to 2, they're both positive, so it's going to equal to this. Okay. All right, so note that these two are the same. So here and here is the same. And also -3, these two are the same. I meant that to be that. So, and also these two are the same. Okay. Okay, so -1, 2, 1, -2, -1. Okay. Y, x. So here's just a straight line. Before this is also just a straight line. Okay. And in between -2 and -1, it's this. So it's got if you plug in -1, it's -3, right? 2 minus 5 is -3. So it looks like this. And here's -3. So it's actually going to be just straight. And then it goes back to being parabola. So that's the shape of the curve.